We are talking about mathematical properties, and we want to recognize properties of equality and identity, recognize the commutative and associative property, and use the distributive property to simplify and evaluate expressions. So identity of addition just says if you add 0 to anything, it will still be itself. So a plus 0 is equal to a, or 0 plus a is equal to a. The identity of multiplication says if you multiply by 1, it will still be itself. So a times 1 is a, 1 times a is a. The inverse of addition, so if we have a, we add the negative, so that's equal to 0. So inverse of addition, if you subtract the same number from itself, it will give you 0. And the inverse of multiplication is if we have a and we multiply by the reciprocal, or 1 over a, it will give you 1. In this case, a cannot be 0 because we cannot, if you plug 1 divided by 0 in your calculator, you'll get an error. So we can't divide by 0. The multiplicative property of 0. When multiplying by 0, you get 0. So 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 5 is equal to 0. Commutative property changes the order. So basically that just means that we're flipping. So here we have a plus b, here we have b plus a. So all we did was we changed the order. And we can do that with addition, or we can do that with multiplication. Here we have a times b, and here we have b times a. So we're just changing the order. The associative property changes with the parentheses, basically changes the group or changes who we are talking to. So this is a regrouping. And in this case, we have a plus b, and then c is on the outside. And then we switch that and we say, now a is on the outside, and we group b plus c. And we can also do that with multiplication. C is on the outside here, a is on the outside here. Here's an example. 2 plus 5 in the parentheses, 7 on the outside. Here we go. 5 plus 7 in the parentheses, 2 is on the outside. So basically, there are 3 friends. Here, 2 friends are talking and one's left out. Here, the other 2 friends are talking and the other one's left out. That would be the associative property.